Next is, so those are the things that we can do for the new year. So in a recap or in a summary, add a little spirituality to your daily life. Take a look at your physical environment. Tell one person each week that you love them, or tell one person a day. If you are in a big company, tell one person a day that you love them. Buy a plant, of course. Plant or take a pet, mag-alaga ng pet, para nagiging mas mabuti kang tao and you become more empathic and more sympathizing of our pets. And then, yes, my dear, what do you need? Cotton buds. Wala ko. Find out how much money you need to retire. So, if you don't have access to the internet, maghanap ng financial broker para malaman mo ang what you need when you are getting financially after your retirement. Spend time with your best friend. Lunch, movie, walking in the park, whatever you can do together. Okay, and then, buy a new bed pillow. Ayun. Take a television break, find out what your blood pressure is, and take my Clean Sweep program self-test. Thank you for that topic. So, ayun. Ayun po yung ating first topic, and then we will go to the next topic. Always po, tonight, I will be sharing most of the things that we need to do in preparation for our, for the new year. Which is, all of us, gusto natin, for the new year, siguro naman all of us would like to have a fresh start, would like to prepare for this next year so that we can improve in whatever we are doing. So, let's find out on the other things that we can share with you. Iba naman. Mamaya sa depot. Laging may depot. New, ayan, new isip things sa character tayo. Kaya positive.
Watching Richard Simon.
For the new year.
Ganito ang gagawin niya sa lechon.
Positivity for the new
Ang
year.
ginawa sa lechon, sarap ay.
To inspire us.
Lechon paksi.
To inspire us in the new beginning in 2024. Okay, mga quotes. These are the quotes to inspire us for the new beginning in 2024.
Okay, hanap pa tayo ng iba. Hanap pa tayo ng iba.
Okay, so
Hanap pa tayo ng ibang live stream. Dami na oh. Sambales. Ito, magplano bago mag-retiro. Kasi yan. Mag-unbox. Chill Friday night.
my lover.
Mga balitaan ito. Yung sa abroad.
Yeah, pwede. Live. Hello everyone.